Can I make a delicious all vegan breakfast sandwich in less than 5 minutes? Let's find out. I'm actually making it all from scratch, and this is a new concept. It's called VHP Speed Cooking. I have a sense of urgency. Actually, it didn't start out that well. I was just kind of standing around, staring at my phone. And then I went ahead and I put the hash browns and the sausage in the air fryer. I'm still not sold on this air fryer. It's called a Ninja Crispy. Someone in YouTube told me it was like the most awesome air fryer. I mean, it does a decent job air frying, but I don't like the controls. It's awkward. I prefer the old-fashioned air fryers. Call me old-fashioned. Anyway, gonna go ahead and make a chickpea egg mixture. And basically it starts with chickpea flour. I'm just eyeballing the amounts. It's like 50% chickpea flour, 50% unsweetened plant milk. And then it's seasoned with a bunch of different flavors to give it kind of that eggy vibe. Oh, I made a mess there. That's a garlic powder, some onion powder, some turmeric for color, and then also some pink salt. Also, you have the option of hitting it with some black salt after it's done. I'm making a huge mess, by the way. To give it a finishing eggy flavor. I'm on the fence about black salt. It doesn't necessarily appeal to me sometimes. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. Really depends on how I feel. I'm adding a little bit more plant milk because I want kind of a little bit of a runny batter. I'm making it a little extra runny because I want it to cook faster, because this is VHP Speed Cooking. Look at the mess I'm making. It's going to take longer for me to clean up. Anyway, just trying to get all the little bumps out of the batter. And I like a runny batter. I feel like that works the best and doesn't get spongy. And which we go to the pan, and I'm basically heating up some olive oil. Still not satisfied with the, I guess there's a couple little lumps in the batter. So I'm cleaning up the batter, doing a whisk. My hand mixer, I have a portable blender that I really loved, and it broke. So I'm gonna have to replace that eventually. That would be a lot faster than what I'm doing right now. But anyway, then going ahead and pouring it on a heated pan. I probably should have spread the oil out a little bit, but I'm in a hurry here. Also, I thought I was going to try to save some time by toasting my bread. I was cutting the bread. In the other picture, I guess I didn't film it. I'm basically slicing my bread in half. When you make these vegan eggs, it's great to just have it sit in the pan like this and just sort of let it cook through. I just feel like it's much more successful egg. And then you can go ahead and either turn it into a omelet or scramble it, or do what you can. Oh yeah, here I am toasting this sourdough bread. I got this sourdough bread at a vegan bake shop called ID Eclair. They make incredible vegan eclairs, but their sourdough is freaking incredible. It just has a great flavor. And actually, this is the last of the sourdough. I don't know why. I guess I took it out because I was thinking about flipping the egg, and I didn't flip it because I felt like it wasn't all the way 100% cooked through. But then eventually I gave up and just started scrambling it because I know this is called VHP Speed Run. And we're trying to make a full breakfast sandwich from scratch for under 5 minutes. It's almost been 5 minutes already, so obviously I'm not going to reach that. But how long is it going to take me? We're going to find out. It's very exciting. Are you guys just glued to the images that you're seeing right now? Because I am as well. So anyway, eventually I think I give up. Oh, I grabbed some vegan cheese. So I'm going to actually melt some vegan cheese. Another Trader Joe's thing. Okay, yeah. So I give up, and normally I would just flip it and I wouldn't have this bread getting in my way. But I think it's pretty much cooked through. It's also pretty thin. And then I threw down the cheese. Yeah, so we're going to melt the cheese. A lot of times, people say, oh, vegan cheese doesn't melt. Well, it's probably best to just throw it directly on the pan. But I mean, again, this is VHP speed run. I'm just doing things sloppily, quickly, not taking my time. I try to do it under 5 minutes. It's already past 5 minutes, as you already can tell. But this is also a real-time experiment. Also, if you like this kind of content, please, share, enjoy, watch it all the way through. I'm just still trying to find some traction here on this channel. So please subscribe if you like cooking content. I'm going to focus more on cooking content a little bit right now. Trying to toast through the bagel. Oh, then I took, well, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh yeah, I grabbed the bottom part of the bread, and I'm basically going to spread some garlic aioli on it to give it, just a little bit of a nice, cool, like kind of creamy base. And I should have toasted the bread a little bit more, but again, we didn't have time. I'm going ahead. This is like the only few cuts that I have here in this thing. Long shot of the bread, toasting. Okay, here comes the egg and cheese. We got the melted cheese. We got the vegan chickpea egg. Oh, it would have been a good time for me to hit it with some black salt. I didn't hit it with black salt this time. I did have it. I just, I didn't feel like black salt today. My hash browns, oh, I dropped it. There it is. I would have actually air fried it more and made it more crispy, but I again, time considerations. Everything's relatively cooked through, so that's cool. Then I'm basically looking for like something else, like hot sauce or something else to hit it with. Oh yeah, there's some sriracha. Okay. And then, do I do anything else? I had some avocado, but I forgot to put it on there. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's done. Okay, we made it. And it took about 7.5 minutes to make this. And it's delicious. It took me maybe, as I show the clock at the end, it took me about a minute to eat it. So, take that where you will. Anyway, so thank you for watching. And again, like and subscribe. And that was Speed Cooking.